In today's video, it's all about vignettes. We will be styling a few areas down here in the basement for spring. Stay tuned. So I guess we'll start here right behind me. And what we have here so far is a sign that says Sonoma Valley Winery. I love it. Got it at Home Goods last year. Then I've got two windows that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. They're made to look a little bit old and weathered and rustic, which I love. And then beside these windows, I've added two black lanterns that I got at Michael's last year. And for me personally, when you mix the weathered, like farmhouse chippy kind of look with black, I call that modern farmhouse. In fact, you guys are gonna start seeing me add lots of pops of black mixed with lighter woods here and there. I'm really loving that look, you guys. It's, I don't know, it's kind of mixing rustic with, you know, classic black. I just love it. To this display, we're going to add a lemon wreath. And I have mentioned this so many times to you guys, but curtain clips that you hang curtains with, grab yourself a bag. These are awesome. What I normally do is take the ring off right here, and then I usually just clip this to my wreath and hang it. But this wreath actually came with a little doodad right there. So all I'm going to do is clip this to it and hang it. It's that simple. Now right here you can see that I've got a little screw right there, and I'm just gonna take this and hang it onto the screw, and this allows me to hang wreaths seasonally. So I'm taking my wreath and I'm just gonna hang it. Done. So if you are in a predicament where you have something similar in your house and you're kind of like boring and you're ready for some change, simply add a wreath, a big sign, maybe wrap a garland around the top of it and drop it. Sky's the limit. That's why I like these. They're versatile. You can change things out through the seasons. Now down below is a bench. And I don't know if you guys can see. And this bench will not get used at all. It's not gonna get used. It's just purely for looks. So we're just gonna add a couple of items. Now I know the air return is over here. Don't worry, we're gonna, whatever we put there, it's gonna be able to get the airflow through. So I was digging around in my storage room and I found these cute little spring boots, rain boots. And I thought, you know, April showers bring May flowers. I'm gonna put that on the bench with some flowers. So I picked these florals up at Michael's last year. We're just gonna stick them in the boots. So here are the boots, and in goes, let's see which way is pretty. Oh, I just dropped one. Let me get that other piece. So I'm taking this one and I'm just gonna drop this in. And look how cute that looks. April showers bring May flowers. By the way, excuse the speaker on the wall. I have no control over that. That is all hubby. It's all his fault. Now where the air return is, I've got a cute little rustic picnic basket. I've just added some, you know, greenery garland to it, and I'm just gonna set it right there. Beside the basket, I'm just gonna set this cute little ball beside it. Why would I do such a thing? Because things always look better in odd numbers. That's why. This area in the basement, done. Let's move on to something else. Moving on, we're into this section, and what I have here is an old arched wall gate. I got this at Ross like many years ago. I have two here in the basement, and believe it or not, I saw these about a month and a half ago at Ross for $29. It was $29 or $39. And I was being a cheapskate that day, but oh, did I want to buy one. This is one of my favorite staple pieces I've had through the years. So beneath this, I have a glass table that I got, oh my goodness, I think I got that at Lowe's years and years ago. Normally, what I would do is hang a beautiful wreath on this wall gate, but because I have one adjacent to this, I don't want to have two wreaths. So I am adding lots of pops of green here in the basement, as I'm sure you can tell. And I've got this chalkboard that I picked up from, I don't know, Michael's years ago. And I'm gonna write, we're skipping spring and we're going to summer. I'm gonna write summer on it with some chalk. I just wrote summer on it. I'm going to take this curtain clip, believe it or not, and I'm gonna hook it to the back of this. I never even took the stuff off. Oops. And I'm gonna make it so I can hang it there on the gate. Okay, let's get it hung. See? These are awesome. All right, the sign is hung. And when I have some time, I'll come do a better job writing out summer, but it was just to kind of show you where I'm going with this. Now, because this area is adjacent to the area we just worked on, I want to balance it out. So because I've got the white chippy rustic windows, I want to add something light and scale. So I bought these at an antique store. I don't even know what these used to be. I'm assuming legs to a table. And somebody took the time to chalk paint them and distress them. And I love these. So I'm gonna put them one on either side because I'm so symmetrical. Now, because I have a lot of green going on, what the heck? My earring fell out. Sorry. I'm gonna add these green moss balls, one on either side. And that's how it looks. Now I'm gonna add this piece. This is also one of my all-time favorite pieces I will never get rid of unless I accidentally break it somehow. I just love this. I got this at Home Goods years ago, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle. Now I'm gonna add this cute little piece. I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna place it, I guess right here. Now I found this in my stash, and I'm gonna put this on the other side. All right, guys, we're gonna be decorating these two shelves here in the basement. Now we're on the opposite side of the basement, and we're keeping it super simple. We are gonna add a basket for texture. And I've got a little nail right there, and we're just gonna pop the nail and hang it on the wall, just like that. Hopefully you can see that right there. And let's see. There we go. Now to the tray, we're gonna add yet again more texture, and we're gonna hang a wreath in the center of the tray. Now I used a long nail so that I could purposely have something for this to catch on to. Love it. You see, I think it's kind of fun to add texture upon texture. And the basket acts as a way to fill in all that white space And this just adds the pop of color. And then the black is a nice contrast. Now I'm gonna add 2 matching topiaries, one on either side. And I'm gonna put one here and one here. Last but not least, I'm adding the sign that says Our Nest. Got this at Cracker Barrel a few years ago during the summertime. And I'm just gonna place this on top. And I think it's adorable. I told you guys this was gonna be simple. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up my little video for today. Come back and see me Friday. I will be joining in with Jody from Southern Seasons for a French country rustic farmhouse collab. You won't wanna miss it. Quite honestly, I can't wait for Friday's video because I think it's gonna be so much fun. So again, join Jody and I Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and I will see you then. Love you guys. Have a good day.